Yo, hello guys, and welcome back to another video of Minecraft. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can plant sugarcane in your survival world or whatever it is. So, make sure that you are using Minecraft at any version possible. You can use whatever version that got the sugarcane. I think it's been since the first version of Minecraft, so I think it will work for you at any version in Minecraft. Now, let's open a new world or whatever world you are on it, and let's wait until it loads. So as you can see, let's get some sugarcane, and let's talk first about sugarcane as the plant, what it does in Minecraft. It gives you two options, which is sugar and the second thing, which is paper. The papers are usually work as like to create fireworks. That helps a lot in Minecraft, especially if you have elytra. It will really help you and be one of the essential items for you later on in the game. And if you don't have elytra, what the paper will help you with is to create books. Basically, books will help you create shelf books, and shelf books will help you to create a level 30 enchantment table, and this will give you the best enchantment possible. And also you can use the books as it is to just like enchant them themselves. And how can you really plant them and make the most use of them? Basically, you can't really just put them around at any surface. You have to put them next to water. So for example, if we do something like that, you will be able to plant them. So if we do something like so, we will be able to plant them in here. You don't really need the dirt, it will work even on sand. So for example, if we put sand in here and we did something like so, like that, and we put water in here, it will still work for you guys, just like it will work for dirt. And what is like, for example, there's some people that try to hide water, they don't like water to be on the top. You can also put it in the bottom. Okay, I'm using sand, that's why it fell down. Let's use it in here, and let's try it that way, something like that. I think this method still works in this version. It used to work way before, but I don't know if it will work now. Let's try it, guys. Just like so, just like so, just like so. And let's grab some dirt. Oh, I'm closing it. Oh my god. Let's put something like that, and let's close this. So as you can see, it still works for me. The plants are still here. And yeah guys, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.